Hello guys, I will show you my Hydra stream filter. First of all, I'm not related with ocean free product at all. I just have this filter here in my 18 liters pickle reef, okay, and I'm testing this since July 15, and in fact I love it because it makes my water very clean, crystal clear. In fact, now I will disassemble this to clean it, my filter. Let's do this. The nano filter, the Hydra string nano filter with surface skimmer. This is very efficient in cleaning. The water is very clean. Nitrites is very low. Nitrate is on check, about 10 ppm, and things is good. It is very good. Okay. It sticks a little on the glass. Just wash it. Must be some kind of force here. Okay. You cannot do. You can do that. Stay here. Stay back. This is my cat. Okay. Now the filter is out, and I did a lot of mess here with water. No problem. Let's disassemble this and see how it works. Hydra steam filter. Use the catapult media. Let's disassemble this. I hope my camera don't fall in the water. I must keep it safe. Okay, let's disassemble this. This is the surface skimmer right here. We just switch with tap water, you know? Disassemble is very easy. You have a fun inside here. Just open. This is the catapult media, as I say, and that's the foam. Take out the foam, put this in top water, swish, just rinse it. Very good, very clean, and that's okay. This is clean, okay? Very clean. Catapult media. The titanium plates here. This filter is amazing. I recommend it. I really recommend it because it works, you know. And I'm testing this since July 15 on my pickle reef with anemones, and I love it. I really love it. I think this is great, advanced in hobbies. For all hobbyists, I think you should try this filter. Take care, guys. My camera is battery running out. See you later. Thank you. Bye bye.